order passed by your lordships, they can't be affected without being before your lordships.
What about the publication of the tainted list?
Yes.
Tainted list we have published, my lord. How many times I will give this? My lord, we have a tainted list I have given in 291 to 334.
Can you see the list?
Yes.
Does it, my lord, give the
I
details of the
cannot make a list to the satisfaction of Mr. Bhattacharya's client. Yes, to this I am doing it.
You are not
No,
doing
I
law.
am doing in terms of law.
Yes.
But your clients are the persons who will disturb all the times for creating disturbance.
Going to
The
the
court is here.
Uh-huh.
Please do not answer each other.
Okay, my lord.
The court is here to hear you.
291 to 324.
291 to
324.
324.
কোথায় এটা?
একটা লোক পাস করতে পারে না, চাকরি পায় না।
Please do not make these type of.
One kindly.
Please don't.
291 to 3.
Interview to all details or OMR sheet.
324 nahi? Yes, 324.
1804 serial number last 324.
Yes. This is only for the group 9 and 11 and 12.
What about the
19
others?
Oh yes, 9, 10, 11, 12.
All four classes.
All four.
1804 candidates name serial number is there.
Yes.
According to the
1804.
investigation, and how many candidates are there in the tainted list?
More than 6,000. As per our estimation of 3 categories.
That is a group C, group D.
That's
It's a
what
9, 10, 11, 12.
9, 10, 11, 12?
That is enough. 9, 10, 11, 12. 1804.
1804. 1804 names
Can
have
you
been published.
identify anyone?
Identify?
Yes. Which category?
You-
Where from applying? This is the deceptive way to mislead the entire people, including the court. How can I know what is this? Who is Nitish Manu? Which category did he apply? What is his father's name? The detailed category will not help the people all and sundry to identify. But every day we are receiving the information from many corners that this tainted person have gone to. I can also show the WhatsApp. School Service Commission would hide with the details authorities.
All right.
That's why you have made this prayer, and that's why the division bench of the High Court directed you publish the OMR.
Where is that?
Will kindly come to the order of the division bench, which was upheld by the Supreme Court.
On that time, OMR was published. That time, OMR was published.
I will kindly turn to paragraph 363, the directions given by the division bench.
That was March to the Supreme Court.
Paragraph
363.
That OMR was disclosed.
Final directions.
11, 12.
363. This is the Justice Basak's order.
Yes, division bench judgment.
OMR sheets of such portion not done. Must
be
be uploaded. Viewing.
And all these directions are upheld by the Supreme Court. What's the difficulty in for the authorities? Otherwise, these sort of litigations will continue.
Right. Please come.
Malad, can I? That was in relation to first SLST. That is
The
not.
tainted candidates is in
I am
first.
given the tainted candidate list to your lord.
No. The division bench said that you have to upload it in the website. Portions not done. You have given
Portions
the name
not
and
done.
the
Hmm.
OMR.
Hmm.
OMR. You have given the name and the roll number.
That is now.
Please say-
That is after the judgment has been delivered, after the matter challenge has been moved here. This is in respect of 2016. So 2025. This is 2025. The court said where is the list of the tainted candidates. Then we said within 7 names. That is the tainted candidates and we have been given.
You published the name. You have already published the names and their details. Father's name.
Malad, this is Malad, is a too far prayer for a petitioner, and this court should not entertain. Malad.
All right, please.
Malad, kindly see this next is 323. This is too far. But court is not, court will not.
323.
Kindly see the from 325. I have given to your lordship. See status, category, name, roll number, everything. What is this? I have to give the home address. I have to. Am I a police officer? They will not do any homework. They will not do any homework.
320.
325. Kindly see.
What is it?
See. Serial number, roll number, name, status.
Who are they?
Why are they? Who are they? If you see,
What is
if
this?
they, if a person
What does status mean? OMR issue?
status, mismatch mark, OMR, that is a mismatch. That is the OMR. This is a whole history is there. But if a one litigant sleeps in his house, that doesn't mean that I have to feed him.
Oh.
Then yes, of course, this is not. And this court should not be turned into a court of a roving inquiry. Yes, yes.
Sir, it's
Yes.
since
No. Tell also only blaming me. You are not saying to Mr. Bhattacharya. No. You are also blaming me. Comments is from Mr. Bhattacharya. Reaction is there. You are only telling me, not Mr. Bhattacharya. That I am not a like person, but don't only this to me you will say.
I have only one sentence. Only one sentence.
Most like how can I be?
Whatever order on tainted, I am not which is continuing. I humbly pray lordships may not stop or stay the process which they prayed.
No.
Only that.
Nothing. That is not the prayer also.
Regarding the transparency for the tainted,
Yes,
I don't want to say.
That is not the
Yes,
prayer.
because I am an untainted, I have nothing to say. But
Only one thing may I just tell you, lordships. In regard to non-compliance of our division bench order, our division bench has said in contempt application, everybody go to the Supreme Court. I'll have a look at that paragraph 56.
Yes, it's all right. Parties are there before the Supreme Court. It's not that they are not there.
No, therefore, any non-compliance of this is the non-compliance they are urging of Justice Bosak's order.
Are you there in the tainted list?
No,
No.
this goes on and on.
Only one.
I'm also to be without service.
Sorry, one submission. Mr. Bhattacharya's client filed an application for contempt before Justice Bosak. That was dismissed. Against that order, nobody has gone to Supreme Court. And the Supreme Court no one has initiated any order. If there is a violation of the division bench order, then the contempt proceed.
For a roving inquiry. Stop. According to the commission, the list of tainted candidates has already been published by the commission in compliance of the direction passed by the Honorable Supreme Court. Stop. In case the petitioners alleges violation of the order passed by the court, the petitioners ought to approach the said court. Stop. Fresh writ petition at the instance of the petitioners alleging violation of any direction passed by the court will not be maintainable.
Not the fresh eyes.
Can 1 and Can 2 has been filed for addition of parties. Stop. The applicants are candidates who also participated in the second SLST. Stop. Their names do not feature in the list of tainted candidates. The applicants submit that recruitment process is being conducted in compliance of the direction passed by the Honorable Supreme Court, the instant proceeding may not be entertained. Stop. Upon hearing the submission made on behalf of the parties and on perusal of the materials placed before this court, it appears that it has been submitted by the commission that the candidates whose names have been mentioned in paragraph 14 of the writ petition are not impleaded as parties. Stop. Any allegation made against them behind their back may be prejudicial to them. Stop. Paragraph. It has further been submitted that those candidates whose names appear in paragraph 14 are enlisted in the physically handicapped category, two of them, and the other two,
This is spelling mistake is here.
those you do not know.
No. These are not tainted according to our list.
Not again.
These two spelling are not matching.
That two of the candidates name physically handicapped category stuff as per the understanding of paragraphs 48 and 49
কতজন পিএইচকে নিয়েছে
of
যে এ ভাই প্রিন্সিপালে ওরা পিএইচকে
judgment dated 3rd passed in SLP within brackets civil number 9586 of 2024 within brackets State of West Bengal versus Boishaki Bhattacharya within bracket Chatterjee and others, the commission permitted the candidates to participate in the recruitment process being reflected in the list of tainted candidates. Stop. As regards the other two candidates, Nitish and Narayan, all right, spelling mistake is Debolina and
Yes, no. The other two candidates are physically handicapped and two
physically handicapped. Which ones? Nitish and
Nitish and
Narayan.
Narayan.
Yes. Two candidates এখানে বললাম না physically handicapped, Nitish Ranjan Bormon and Narayan Chandra Pal, বানানগুলো দেখে নেবেন paragraph 14 paragraph 14 page 15. The other two candidates, these names are not properly spelt. Accordingly, the commission cannot ascertain their identity. ঠিক আছে? এবারে upon hearing the submission made on behalf of the parties and on perusal of the materials placed before this court, it appears that made it clear that other differently abled candidates will not be entitled to the same benefit as given in case of one Miss Shoma Das, as it would contradict legal principles and the rule of law.
একটা সে হাওড়ার টিচারটা কি হলো না
Full stop.
এই ঘরে চলে এসছে
However, considering their disability, the candidates may be permitted to continue and will receive wages until the fresh selection process and appointments are completed. Stop. Page number 40 or 41. The court also held that the disabled candidates will be allowed to participate in the fresh selection process if required. Process, if required, with age relaxation and other concessions. Full stop. Similarly, other candidates who are not specifically tainted will also be eligible to participate, with appropriate age relaxation. On 29th August 2025, the Honorable Supreme Court in Rehana Begum within brackets Supra recorded the submission of the Commission that none of the tainted candidates would be permitted to appear in the selection test. The court further recorded that it was further likhun je the court also took note of the submission of the Commission that if any tainted candidate slips through the net and manages to appear for the tests, S is within brackets. The notice dated 25th August 2025 issued by the Commission stating that eligibility/ineligibility of the candidates would be examined in the post-examination stage would come to the aid of the Commission in weeding out such tainted candidates who are ineligible in terms of the judgment passed of Boishaki Bhattacharya within brackets Supra. The court records that the submission of the senior counsel of the Commission shall be binding on the Commission. ঠিক আছে? The Honorable Supreme Court was pleased to grant liberty to the learned counsel for the petitioners to address letter to the learned advocate on record for the Commission if they come to know of any tainted candidate who managed to secure an admit card for the selection test so that necessary action may be taken by the Commission to prevent him/her from appearing in the test. এটা পুরো কপি আছে দেখে নেবেন In the instant case, it appears that 4 names have been disclosed in the writ petition, who, according to the petitioners, enlisted in the tainted list published by the Commission. On a conjoint reading of the orders passed by the Honorable Supreme Court on 3rd April 2025 and 29th August 2025, it appears that the candidates, irrespective of their disability, আচ্ছা কি বললাম no, the candidates whose names appear in the tainted list, irrespective of their disability, cannot be permitted to participate in the selection test conducted by the Commission. Stop. The court specifically records that other candidates not specifically tainted will be eligible to participate with appropriate age relaxation. considering the disability, the court permitted the untainted candidates to appear in the selection test. Stop. The on 29th August 2025, the court reiterates the intention of the court not to permit any tainted candidates, whether disabled or not, differently abled or not to participate in the selection test. It was only for this reason that the submission made by the learned senior counsel of the commission that if any tainted candidate slips through the net, the same will be weeded out, has been given a binding effect. Stop. The understanding of the commission that the tainted candidates, that the differently abled tainted candidates would be permitted to participate in the selection test does not appear to be in line with the order passed by the Honorable Supreme Court. Stop. To draw the attention of the Commission as regards participation of the tainted candidates in the selection test, the court went to the extent of granting liberty to the learned advocate on record of the petitioners to draw the attention of the Commission so that the Commission may take necessary action in the matter. The aforesaid observation of the Honorable Supreme Court, in the understanding of this court, is not to permit any candidate, whether differently abled or not, to participate in the ongoing selection test. Stop. Next paragraph. The submission of the petitioners that the list of tainted candidates published by the Commission is an incomplete one appears to be of substance. Stop. The list of tainted candidates as placed before this court by the learned senior counsel representing the Commission discloses the roll number and the name of the candidate. Stop. The said list has been prepared in terms of the data of the 2016 recruitment process. Stop. The roll number of the 2016 recruitment process and the 2025 recruitment process are different. Stop. Only by publication of a name of a candidate, his/her identity cannot be ascertained. Stop. There may be several candidates by the same name. Stop. The very idea of publishing the names of tainted candidates is to draw the attention of the public with regard to the identity of the candidates. The court directed the upload in the website of the upload in its website the OMR sheets of the candidates for public viewing. Stop. According to the petitioners, the OMR sheets have not been published till date. Stop. The list of candidates, till date. Stop. For identifying a candidate, the name of the candidate along with his or her father's name and the subject in which the candidate appeared are required to be published. So that it becomes easy for the commission to identify them for the purpose of weeding out any tainted candidate who may have slipped out and appeared in the selection test. Stop. The senior counsel of the commission already submitted to the same before the Honorable Supreme Court, and the same does have a binding effect. Stop. The commission accordingly ought to publish the proper list of tainted candidates with details for the purpose of identification. The aforesaid publication ought to be made only for maintaining fairness and transparency in the selection process. Stop. Next. The as the commission would be bound to take steps in terms of the order passed by the Honorable Supreme Court. Accordingly, the commission shall take necessary steps with regard to the tainted candidates who appeared in the selection test. Stop. Next. There are other issues in the instant writ petition which are yet to be canvassed. Stop. The issue regarding allotting 10 marks on account of prior teaching experience is already an issue which is pending consideration before the Honorable Supreme Court. Stop. The court accordingly adjourns the matter for the time being. Stop. Released on
Other matter
3rd of December.
Yes.
All matters on 28th will
28th,
be heavy.
Yes, yes.
It
but
will be
we don't
too heavy. If any order is passed on,
And that
28,
will automatically
cover.
Yes,
The 28th will not maybe preponed for a day, let even 27th to other matters.
27th.
I had also taken consent of Mr. Bandyopadhyay.
I am not aware, Mr. Where did Mr. Bandyopadhyay go?
I had personally not interacted with him. He said he has no difficulty with his post on 27th.
26th as a Supreme Court.
I need a confirmation from you. Otherwise, I won't.
My learned senior is saying that we'll take instruction.
No, I had an overhearing. I was sitting here. I heard it-
Overheard.
Yes, as a neutral point of view, I heard that Mr. Bandyopadhyay saying in another matter that 27th I would be here. That I can say.
No, that he may be here, whether
That's-
the matters may be preponed or not, I
Correct.
do not know. Without the committee,
I
I will
can't
not.
say.
Within 5 minutes, we'll take instructions.
Correct.
ওনার সঙ্গে কথা হয়েছিল।
One thing might be relevant, like for the Honorable Supreme Court, it would be on 26th. There is a,
24th and 26th, 2 dates have been
yes,
shown
so
to me.
I take the last one. So if it is on 26th, now to get the server copy,
That is the reason I kept it on 28th. It was only for this
that's
purpose.
I think because 27 maybe
It's not uploaded. Yes.
then Lordship has to believe what the council.
Yes, yes. This
So they are not-
exactly this went
Then,
through my mind. That is the reason I kept on
Then the
28th.
28th may be deferred. I have some
Why?
personal problem on 28th.
So many matters
I didn't-
differing. Why don't you join online if in case you cannot come?
This matter is so serious, it requires physical,
Guys,
requires physical appearance.
requires physical appearance.
I have to explain many orders.
Yes,
judgments.
maybe.
27th.
But then
But other councils are there. From the Supreme Court,
yes, yes. Somebody is coming
Somebody
from the
others are
Supreme
there.
Court also.
from the Supreme
Yes, yes. Somebody is coming
Court,
from the
others are
Supreme
there.
Court also.
I have no difficulties. That is no. Best I remember.
There are other councils also.
Anyway, we shall we shall take it that on 20th I may pay adjournment for a day.
There is no difficulty if you pray adjournment.
The others will fight.
They will not fight.
No. If you will not,
If
28 not, then the December when I will do it. December not possible. কি করে আসবে বলো? ডিসেম্বরে কি করে
Let
হবে?
it remain on 28. Let us see.
Hmm.
You try to adjourn the other personal thing if you can accommodate.
To be very frank, before
No, don't be frank. It's better you see what is there.
they should also have public interview list. Otherwise, it can compare.
কি? Huh?
They will publish.
The interview list.
Has it not been published?
Which case?
The latest interview list.
19, 11, 12. 11, 12. Interview list published. The verification is going on. 15 published.
They can ask.
ডিটেলস আর কি করে দেবো? বলতে পারবো না তো।
ঠিক আছে, থাক না, আপাতত যা আছে তারপর কম্পেয়ার করো।
কি বললো জোসেফ কি বললো?
আমাদেরকে নাম, বাবার নাম আর সাবজেক্ট নিয়ে টেন্টেড লিস্টটা পাবলিশ করতে হবে 2016
কোনো অসুবিধা নেই তো আমাদের। We have no difficulty. কতদিনের মধ্যে বলি?
3 তারিখে রেখেছেন, কোনো টাইম নাই।
Well, this list has to be within how many days have been
At
defined?
the earliest.
We'll do it. We have no difficulty.
No, I understand.
No, we have no difficulty. Can I suggest Miller one thing? Just subject to your lordship. Let Mr. Firoz Sami goes to election state commission. He sits there. He analyzes everything. He does everything. Let him be satisfied.
It is not his satisfaction. He is here for a client.
No, that's for his client satisfaction. Every
26,000 candidates. You can understand the magnanimity of the
yes,
issue.
already have been disclosed. Already have been disclosed.
See,
But
they are made.
the point is, beloved, we have suffered. Yes, but no doubt. Therefore, we are taking all care. But every stage in this process, it is very difficult. Very difficult.
I'm for the petition. চলো
হ্যাঁ, ঠিক আছে। 10টা
ফার্স্ট বার হবে প্রশ্ন হবে কম নেই আপনি এটা only mean but CPF to GPF area person petitioner himself man
Are the corrections properly made?
yes man
Please check up, because now matters are coming up for correction because wrong formats have been given.
I have checked it up my lord
All right, same order.
but the daily list matters will not be called but same CPF to GPF area person petitioner himself man
Yes, disposed.
Conversion from CPF to GPF of the for the widow pension who died prior to date of notification. In terms of the honorable division bench, already settled the issue. And I am serving husband of the petitioner. Following the division bench, 2 single benches process. I am acting over this.
Which one is the division bench's order?
Yes, Pamela, I am giving those two judgments. And Shefali Jana. And this is that quoted. First one order following.
You tell me one thing, the widow is coming.
Yes, widow is coming. The husband of the petitioner
Huh?
was the employee of the state.
Yes.
Now he died prior to the date of notification in the year 2008 and at the age of 59. Therefore,
Yes.
he could not make any option to that effect. Now, after the notification, the wife does not have any authority to make such application. In that score, our division bench held family includes family pension. Pension includes family pension. Therefore, if the option was there, either CPF to GPF, in that case, the widow is entitled to get the family pension upon payment of contribution.
Yes, but this has also been held in Muktimoi Pal's.
Yes, Muktimoi Pal considered in Pamela. I obliged to your lawyership. Elaborate judgment, Shefali and Muktimoi.
Fresh option is not required to be given.
Obliged to. Muktimoi is that page kindly seek take the judgment of Pamela. Elaborately discussed by Justice Sen's division.
Muktimoi একটা
Paragraph 11.
রেফার করা আছে, সেইটা হবে, বুঝে গেছে?
Husband of the petitioner expired in the year 2008, I believe. And I am checking it up.
Widow
13. Expired on 22nd of December 2013.
এগুলো থাক, কিন্তু আমি জানি না। You take this back, Pamela. It's not required because I also have an order passed. এটা রেখে ফেলি, যেন ছেড়ে দিন, দরকার নেই। এফিডেভিট অফ সার্ভিসটা এটা রইল। Yes, next.
Much obliged.
492, Lordship, I am for the petitioner and Mr. Chandra.
Lordship, I'm for the petitioner in CPF area. Lordship,
Matter relates to?
relating to CPF area. The area, prisoner deposit the amount through treasury challan, but prisoner is praying before this court, release the issue the PPO and release the area amount, date of
You
depositing
have
the
several
treasury.
orders passed by this bench.
Lordship, correction order is not available in my hand.
Give me the dates when you returned.
Yes, I have returned, petitioner returned 31st May 2011.
All right. একটা এরিয়ার আছে আমাদের করা আছে এরিয়ার সিপিএফ টু জিপিএফ ডেটস গুলো এখানে আছে দেখে নেবেন একটু বৈশালী গৌরব ডিসপোজড এটা এরিয়ার যেখানে লিখলেন ফ্রম দি গ্রেটফুল মাই লর্ড
Grateful to you, Lordship.
943
Lordship, I am for the petitioner in this matter. Matter is same. Widow is approaching before this court. Petitioner husband was getting pension and died for
What?
issue the revised PPO.
interest
No. Area.
Area.
Issue the revised PPO and
All
release
right.
the area. Lordship.
All right, disposed. Next.
Lordship, I am for the petitioner in this matter. Matter is relating to CPF GPF area. Petitioner father and mother both died. Petitioner as a son is approaching before this court, release the area from the next date of retirement to the date of depositing the treasury challan.
Who was the teacher, father or the mother?
Petitioner father was a teacher.
All right.
Given daughter, she is a divorced daughter. Not required.
Doesn't matter. Daughter will suffice. This order will go. And this order will go in the earlier matters also. পেছনে আমি লিখে রেখেছি হ্যাঁ একটু এজিএম কেও বলে দেবেন
Let us file the affidavit of service.
That the legal heirs are the petitioner. On the transfer brief, I have submitted lordship no objection. Again, 11 transfer.
let me see what about the wife
I have also died lordship.
wife died all right same order Are you there?
Yes, my lord, I'm for this.
Yes. $1,300?
I'm for the petition. এটা কি জোরে বলুন, শুনতে পাওয়া যাচ্ছে না যে। I'm for the petition, my lord, CPF to GPF area pension, lordship's order.
Petitioner is the teacher?
Teacher.
All right, same order.
Get my lord.
I am for the petitioner. Lordship, CPF to GPF area, petitioner himself come before your lordship. Your lordship.
Same order. এটা রেখে দিন, সুবিধা হবে আপনার।
Matter, my lord, that tier.
What happened? Where is your other side?
The other side is,
Oh, you are there.
he is my senior man.
All right, Mr. Basu Mullik?
Alright.
No longer appearing?
No longer appearing.
Yesterday evening, I've been engaged. My lord.
All right. What is your submission?
Your lordship will continue. They are the state government employees.
Say
reservation
that not.
No, on the date of affirmation, tribunal was available. However, this petition has been entertained by the US court. Their rank, not what the
Just tell me the discrepancy between 333 and 346.
Yeah.
Why there is this difference in the figures? According to you, the figure is 333. And according to the records that are annexed, it is 346. Why this discrepancy? Just tell me this.
ওই দেখাচ্ছে ওই ইয়েটা বার করো পরের যে ইয়েটা এটা 12 জন ঢুকিয়েছি এইটার পরে ওরা অ্যাডিশনাল একটা only difficulty 5 months class has already been completed. Only difficulty. That is
And this is for the West Bengal Health University to say, not for the state. They are
No,
the
no.
party also.
24, 25. It's not possible. Whether they could be according to the rank in the need. They could be there because their rank is. Rank is 2,01,839 and 1,71,940.
Sir, please address with regard to the discrepancy in the figure.
Lord, kindly remember, this is the third time your lordship is asking for this clarification.
There are 3 cadres are there. Most of the candidates have been available from the state West Bengal medical education. Because depends upon the government ability. If the doctors, their teaching capacity, more helpful to the government. But we cannot extend more than the 10.
Nobody is telling you to extend more than 10%. What is the reason for this discrepancy in the figures 333 and 346? You-
The education service, extra manpower was necessary. That's why.
Education service?
West Bengal medical education service.
Yes.
Teaching staff was more necessary than the West Bengal.
That means you are not sticking to the 10% figure?
Taking to the 10%, but they have been giving priority.
If you stick to the figure, then the calculation will be different. If you say that you require more strength, you have taken in more candidates, then it will be different.
Clause 9. Can you see clause 9?
Then this will be different. It's a absolutely new submission that is being made today.
Clause 9.
Can you see the clause 9?
Clause 9 of what?
Of the TR rules.
It has been annexed. 95.
Page
Page 95.
Page 91.
Page 95 clause.
Page 9
Non-obstructive
of
clause
the writ petition.
of the writ
Of the
petition.
writ petition.
And they are
Clause 9.
appear
Discretion of the government.
Yes.
Discretion doesn't mean
contained in the rules, president or television as government sponsor candidate shall be under the sole discretion of the Department of Health. The
Cannot be
candidate
arbitrary.
when an officer has been selected for a course and has been given a consult certificate from the competent authority.
here the petitioner has not been selected for the course.
Yes, I have
How?
selected one.
But
Alright, selected,
without
but
no of the employer from the state government. He has not obtained a no objection. And but 5 months class is over. Going
no,
on.
that is the practical thing that you are saying.
Yes.
5 months class is over.
There is a 5 months. They can be accommodated in 26, 27 because that has already been exemption has already been held. Process is going on.
Which one?
Next
Academic session.
Next
next
session.
academic, next session.
The petitioner has participated in the test.
No.
My lord, in the next 2025 NET, I have participated. NET, there is no, I have obtained a better rank. Now, without your lordship's leave, I cannot appear for the counseling. This is one aspect. I do not know whether I will even get admission if I
Will the petitioner be selected for counseling?
no,
That you cannot say.
my lord, that according to the rank, how many can
That it cannot be ascertained from now.
The entire thing will be decided by the director of medical education, who is controlling the admission in the postgraduate course. You should direct the director of medical education, consider their case
no.
according to the availability 25, 27.
No. Why would I
Cannot be
do?
done in that manner. Others will come up and say it will be violation of Article 14, 16.
At least 24, 25, they cannot be accommodated.
My lord, I have already been accommodated a seat. It's not question of giving me a new seat. It's only about registration. It's
They are-
only about
they are also the
registration.
health service
And my lord, now my lord, may I place the case? Your
Health
lordship is
service
going to hear it, or your lordship will come back at after
West
recess?
Bengal Health Service, West Bengal Medical Education Service, West Bengal Medical Education and Admission. 3 types of cadres are there. Priority is given to the medical education.
Where is they getting that priority? The rule says
Because of the
10%.
rule line, because of the rule line, we have given the power.
My lord, it is completely contradictory what they have stated in
Rule line
their
has not
report.
been challenged.
My lord, what they have stated in their report now, in this matter, they have filed the report stating everything. Now they cannot go beyond what they have stated on oath in the report.
No, I'm bound
My
by the
lord,
report.
kindly come to the first report filed by them.
ফার্স্ট রিপোর্ট বলতে কোনটা?
First যে তোমরা রিপোর্টটা ফাইল
রিপোর্ট দিয়েছি না
Before the High Court.
ও আচ্ছা আচ্ছা এই তো।
It is affidavit.
Let us reassemble at 2.
Yes, ma'am.
One fixed matter at 2 p.m.
I will start. It will take
3 o'clock.
Not 3.